Thai tea done. Just finished. I'm gonna go ahead enjoy this my Thai tea right here. Cheers. Good Thai tea make at home. So good. In the heaven. So good I had a talk so delicious แซ่บหลายมาเด้อไทยทีเฮ็ดไทยทีอยู่บ้านง่ายๆบ่ได้ยาก Thank you guys for watching. If you very love Thai bubble, just go ahead and do it. It's so easy to make and make no time, just like that. So good, refresh and taste. They have caffeine too, okay? So good. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye, D. วันนี้ฉันไม่เฮ็ดต้ม bubble tea ให้กินเด้อ Okay, I'm gonna make bubble tea. How to make bubble. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make bubble tea coffee, okay? Okay, let's go start. Okay, now first I'm gonna start boil the bubble. Stove. Okay, I'm show you how to cook the bubble, okay? Very important. The bubble is so important. Alright, let the water boiling so I'm gonna show you how to cook. Okay, this part right here I'm gonna boil coffee, make coffee. Okay. Okay, this is French coffee. I'm gonna make French coffee bubble, okay? Alright, this is, if you know how to buy this one, you can go to Asian market. They sell like $5-6 for this. For this job right here, it takes a long time to use it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, start. This is a part I'm gonna make coffee. This is this part right here. Just make for right now. You can make more. You can do more too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the coffee. Put the coffee in here. 1, 2, 3. Because if you put like 3 like this, that's good, strong, okay? Alright, wait for the water to get hot so I can show you how to do this. And put this one right here on top so they can put the coffee down when water coming. Okay, just wait for a second. I'm gonna use this condensing milk. This what we use before always. You know, the Asian people they love this kind of condensing milk, and this kind too. You can use any kind of condensing milk. Okay, so I go to Thai market to buy this 2 condensing milk right here. I'm gonna use one account first. Okay, first I'm gonna open. This milk can't open right now. Okay, this good one. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this right here. I'm gonna make more than 2 to 3 people, 2 for 3 people. So I'm gonna go ahead and put condensing milk in here. Three, 4. I will put 5. I put 6 spoons, okay? Put 6 spoons, just waiting. Put 6 spoons. Alright. And now the water boiling. Now I'm gonna show you how to make coffee. Coffee already in, so all I have to do is just put the water in here, okay? Just let the water be in there. See the dripping? This is French coffee. It's very good to make. That's how you go to Vietnamese coffee. That's what they use this kind, okay? Fill up some more. Boil the bubble. When you see the water boiling like that, this is the bubble right here. Go ahead, put it here. You have to put the bubble in the hot pot, boiling water, because they won't stick together, okay? Soon you put in there and you stir it right away. Don't let them be too stick. Stir it right away until they get independent, and then you let it go. They rise up on the top. That means they're not gonna stick together. So boil this for 20 minutes. Okay, right now it's 12:34, so I will go 12:54. Okay, then I'm gonna go fill up the coffee, water. You know, this 3 spoons I put in here, the water got to be full of the glass right here because they're very strong. Okay, see that the bubble dry up? That means they're okay, because when first you put in there, you just stir right away. After that, 2 minutes, 1 minute later, they dry up. That means they're independent right now. So okay, let them be. Just boil right there about 20 minutes. You know how to make the bubble coffee is very important. How to cook the bubble, guys. This is very my secret, but I'm just wanna share it all. You all, you know, to make a good bubble, eat at home, drink at home. Because if you go to bubble tea, they're so expensive. You know how much they cost? Over $7. Okay, too expensive. You can make this on your home, on your own. The cost too much. Cost just nothing. Coffee, I'm gonna go ahead right up. Fill up some more. Get full, and then the dripping right now. Okay, let them dripping. Good coffee. I smell very good right now. Okay, now coffee ready. Go ahead, put in here. I'm gonna do some more though. Okay, I'm gonna do some more. Fill up some more because they're still strong. Okay, just fill up some more. Okay, time to make the new one. Time to make the new one. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3.5. All right. Put it in here. Put it up in water. See that? That's going down. Okay, keep it up the water. I wanna make like at least for 3 people. That's why. So right there, see that? Let's stir this one because coffee is still hot. Look at this guy. Looking good, right? Okay, just fill up. Bubble done right now. Turn off. Cover for 15 minutes, guys. Okay. Okay. Keep add some more water because this is new coffee. Very strong. Okay. Keep add some water because the coffee very strong. Okay. Just fill up the coffee in here. Some more water. Okay, I'm going to add more condensing milk. Yep, just like that. No. More milk. Okay, done. Bubble tea. Okay, the bubble done. I'm gonna clean the bubble. Clean the bubble first. Yeah, the bubble. the bubble already done. Go ahead, put in the cup right here. Okay, bubble. I'm going to show you how to put the ice together, okay? Coffee already done. Okay, just go ahead, fill up the water in here, about 2 or 3 spoons. Put how much you want. You can put more. You want to take more. Oh yes. There, see that? Bubble tea. Ready? Put the ice on there. Put the ice and enjoy the coffee. Bubble at home. Easy to make, guy. Okay? Very easy. I like a lot of ice. When I drink coffee, I love a lot of ice. Okay, now go ahead, fill up the coffee in here. There you have it, ice bubble coffee. Okay, now coffee ready. There you have it. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. If you like this bubble, follow me. I show you how to make, okay? Bye.